Hi, I'm Holly. I really want to be a Google trainer because Google has transformed everything that I do about teaching and everything I understand about teaching and learning. And I've been using it for 5 years, and I think now is the time where I really want to share that and let everybody else know how Googleicious life in the classroom can be, and just get out there and share the Google love.
What makes me different and how Google has changed my life is particularly through the use of Google Sites, which I use to build interactive and engaging websites that act as schemes of work, where the whole thing that's changed is that the learners are my audience. I'm not writing a scheme of work for things that I do to them, I write a website for them. This is a Media Studies A-Level 1, and you can see I put learning objectives and link success criteria to assessment objectives. This one was for Key Stage 3 or Year 7, Grade 6, based on the book Stormbreaker, and what I like to do is create a whole learning experience. So I choose the fonts, I choose the images, everything linked. So these were called missions because it was a spy novel. So I try and link the genre to the whatever it is we're studying. This unit explored where fiction might be going in the future and how technology might be able to help us tell stories. This was for Year 8. And what I love about Google Sites is that you can embed videos directly to YouTube. So this was an example that a learner had made for me of how they used Minecraft to tell a story. And it plays directly in the site, which I really like. I also used Padlet to make it interactive, so learners could add ideas about different technology tools that we could use to tell stories. I used these ideas then to create a sign-up sheet which learners were able to choose the tools they wanted to use to explore the future of fiction. This website I wrote about in the Guardian newspaper. It is about digital citizenship. All the different lessons are along the top. This is part 3 about creating avatars, and what I loved about the site is that I could use Google Slides to create a banner to show all of the avatars that I had made as examples, and this was the IT team. That's me in the pink shirt, and that was the rest of our team. I also like the fact that learners can have rubrics directly embedded into the site, as well as links out to the different websites I wanted them to use to create their own avatars. Finally, I like the fact that I can embed all the documents that I want them to use in lessons, so rubrics, task sheets, as well as extra links, instructions, differentiated instructions depending on different teams or groups that I've decided on, as well as embed slideshows. In a nutshell, Google Sites helps me bring together all the different G Suite apps that I use, and they can be accessed by learners 24 hours a day as and when they need it, if they're absent or if they need to revise anything. It creates powerful and engaging learning experiences. What's not to love?